Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I already primed my eyes, and I'm going to use the Nicka Poison Apple eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take that shade and put that in my crease, and I'm going to take the other two shades and put those on my lids right next to each other. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell, and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the thumbs up button as well as comment, because I would love to hear from all of you. Okay, I already put on my lashes, and now moving on to my face. I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Touch and Sol No Pore Blem Primer. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Camo Color Corrector to correct the dark spots on my face and neck. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this the same place where I put the orange corrector at. Next, I'm using the LA Girl Setting Powder in Peach to set where I had that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline. And I'm putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that concealer is setting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark to bronze my face as well as contour my nose. Now I'm using the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach to set where I had that concealer at. Next, I'm just putting that shade that I put in my crease along my lash line. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. For blush, I'm using the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush. This is the Volume 4 palette. I'm just going to take that top shade and use that. To highlight, I'm using the shimmery shade out of the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. For lips, I'm using the Ulta Contour Lip Liner and the ABH Liquid Lipstick in Crush. And I'm also going to go over it with the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie, just because I didn't like how it looked. So it's not shown in the video, but that's what I did. To set my face, I'm using the Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse Matte Setting Spray, and I recently bought this spray and I really love it. Kept my makeup looking fresh and just matte all day, so I love it. It's a new favorite of mine and I definitely recommend it. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this simple red eyeshadow look that I did. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the thumbs up button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment, because I would love to hear from all of you. If you have any suggestions for makeup looks or anything else, please let me know so that I can do them. And everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as on my social media handles. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.